In this video, I will show you how to play Roblox with a controller on PC. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to go ahead and play Roblox with a controller, this all depends on the type of controller you want to use. If you have a Bluetooth controller, then the first thing you're going to want to do is come down to your search box at the bottom and just go ahead and type Bluetooth. Then what you want to do is open up Bluetooth and other device settings underneath Best Match, and that's going to take you to a screen like this. On this screen, what you need to do is go ahead and turn your Bluetooth on, and then click the button to add device. Now what that's going to do is bring up a window like this. From here, you want to go ahead and select Bluetooth, and then what you want to do is make sure that your game controller is in pairing mode, and what you can do is connect your Bluetooth controller to your PC, and then use that to, of course, play Roblox. Alternatively, if you are using a wired controller like USB game controller, then what you're going to want to do is again come down to the search box at the bottom. This time you want to go ahead and type setup USB game controller. Once you've done that, you should see a result come up underneath Best Match saying set up USB game controllers. So just go ahead, give that a click. That's going to open up this little window just like this. And from here, you want to come and click onto advanced. At this point, make sure you have plugged your controller into your PC or laptop. And what you want to do is click onto the drop down box and select your game controller from there. After doing that, go ahead, click OK and click OK again to apply. And your controller will now be set up ready to play Roblox with a controller on your PC. So that is how to play Roblox with controller on PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.